Hi guys, it's Jennifer again, and this is the last video for Word Lab 2. We're going to go over indenting, line spacing, borders, margins, envelopes, and how to view documents side by side. So the first one we're going to do is how to do an envelope. As you can see, I have set up here a letter that is to be sent out, and the easiest way to set up an envelope would be to click the mailings tab and you click envelope, and what it will do, Word will automatically put a delivery address on it for you. And to do a return address is your option. Sometimes people have those stickers, return labels. Sometimes they have pre-printed envelopes, so that's automatically left blank. And what you would do, you could either print it by just hitting print, or you can hit add to document. When you add it to a document, your document will say that it's 2 pages, but it's not. It's the envelope followed by the letter. Now the only thing, when you print, you need to remember to stick the envelope in and make sure you have it in the right direction. Me personally, I like to print them separately, print them independently. This way it doesn't confuse the printer too much. The other thing that we can go over is indentation, which, let's scroll down to the letter. And what you can do is you can indent the first line of a paragraph like you normally would, and you just hit your tab button and it'll move it over. The other option that you can do is you can tab a whole paragraph. And what you would do is, say we want to tab the second paragraph. So I put my cursor in front of the "we", and right here on the paragraph section of the home bar is increase indent. And if you click it, it moves your whole paragraph over. You can use that to make something stand out, or if you need to decrease it, right next to it is a decrease. The other thing we can do is line spacing, which is how far, say, this line is from this line, how much space is in between them. And to do that, in that same little paragraph section, right here, this is your line spacing. And when you click on it, the general default for Word is 1.15. You could do it as 1. You could do it as 2, which is double spacing, and it gives you a quick little preview of what it would look like. 3, you can do remove spacing after the paragraph, add spacing between paragraphs. It's all basically what is called for by your company, your teacher, whoever you're typing the letter for. The other thing we can do is we can add a border. And what you would do is go to the page layout, and right here in the page background it says page borders, and when you click on that, it gives you options of what borders, and here you can justify where you want the borders. If you only want it on the top, you only want it on the bottom, you just click these little ones and put it on, take it off. You can say whether it's a dotted one, a straight one, how thick you want it to be. You can make it a different color. Let's pick red. You can have it different kinds, all sorts of different things. And hit OK. And as you can see, this red dotted line is the new border around your document. The other thing, which is a pretty cool feature that you can do, is you can view more than one document side by side. And in order to do that, you would click the View tab. And right here, it says View Side by Side. Now, I have this letter open, and I have another document that is open. When you click View Side by Side, it opened both of them. As you can see, this one is a memo, the one on the right. The one on the left is the letter that we've been working with. Now, the one thing that you have, as you move down one, it will move down the other one also. It makes things easier, I guess, if you're trying to take information off of, say, the memo and put it into the letter. And you can still use all the same copy, paste, editing, and drag it over. And that's basically all that was left for this word lab. I hope to see you guys soon in the next one. Hope it helped.